Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we have been building this recipe finder application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this video, I'll show you how to add this to your Blogger website. So let's get started. So first of all, let me show you how this works. We can see that we have this page over here, and if I click on Get Random Recipe, we can see that we have a random recipe displayed over here, and if I click on that, we have the details of the recipe displayed over here. And we can also search for something over here. For example, if I just type carrot and press enter, we can see that all the recipes for carrot are displayed over here, and we can open any of these and we can get the details of the recipe. So this is how this application works. Now let's add this to our Blogger website. So here I have logged into my Blogger dashboard, and let's add this to a new post. So let's click on new post, and here let's type recipe finder. And here first of all, you need to change this into the HTML view. So change it from the compose view to the HTML view. Now here you'll be able to add your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So first of all, let's add the CSS. I'll just create a style tag, and let's go to our source code, and I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. And we can just delete all this commented code from here. I'll just delete this as well. Alright, let's go to the style.css file, and let's copy everything from here. So we need to copy the root, and we'll just skip this asterisk from here because it will affect the whole page. And we'll also skip the styling of the body. So I'll just copy this and paste it over here. And let's go back and copy everything from here till the end. And let's paste it over here. Alright, now let's go and copy and paste this font family and line height. And let's add it to the main container division, which is this one right here. And let's also copy and paste this color from here. And now let's go ahead and paste the HTML. So I'll just create some space over here. Let's go back to our source code. Let's go to the HTML file, and first of all, we need to copy the link of the font. So I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here. Right now, let's go ahead and copy everything inside the body, and let's paste it over here. Now let's create a script tag, and we will add the JavaScript inside here. So let's go to the main.js file. Let's copy everything from here, and let's paste it right here. Now if we go to the HTML file, here we can see that we have this basic heading and these things over here. So you can make changes in here. So you can change the heading and the placeholder and all those things over here. And here we have the styling, and then we have the functionality. And for this application, we are using this API called the MealDB. So let's go back and let's click on publish. Let's see how it looks. Let's click on confirm. And here we have the recipe finder. Let's click on view. And here we have this recipe finder application. Let's click on this get random recipe button, and let's see whether it works. So here we can see that we have a recipe, and we can open this and see all the details. We also have the link for the YouTube video and also the original source. Right now, let's search for something, and let's see whether it works. So let's click on search, and we can see that all the search results are displayed over here. Let's open one of these, and the model is also working. So that's basically how you can add this recipe finder to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video, and if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.